Make prospecting calls to get more business. Hi, this is Sergio Salas for doitbythehour.com, and I'm a freelancer just like you. The key to getting new business when prospecting is organization and consistency, avoiding missed callbacks or pestering someone because you forgot that you called them yesterday. Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Learn how to prospect for new business like a pro. Once you've populated your company database, making calls is a three-step process. You first build the list of people you want to contact. Then you make the calls. Key to your success is then making the appropriate notes and setting follow-up calls before moving on to the next person. First, let's build a call list. Go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Get Work. On the Get Work page, click the Build Call List button in the Outreach section. On the Calls page, enter your search criteria and then click the Search button. When the results are displayed, click the Add to List button. Your call list is updated and ready to use. To start a new list, click the Clear List button and repeat the process. The next step is making the calls. Click the Make Calls button. The first contact in your list will be displayed. Enter the call details in the comments, specify a follow-up date, then click the Save and Go to Next Call button. It's common in prospecting to frequently get the same results, so there are shortcut buttons for Will Call Back, Nothing New, No Contact, and Left Message. Clicking these buttons automatically sets the follow-up date to tomorrow and enters the appropriate text in the comments. All you have to do is click the button. There are also buttons to create new jobs or opportunity based on the call results. Now, here's a power tip that will make it easy to use the phone for talking and a desktop or laptop for typing all at once. After you've created your call list, go to this page on your mobile phone and also on your desktop. Both will show the same contact. Tapping the phone number on your mobile phone will dial the contact. When they answer, you can talk on the phone while typing on the computer, which is much easier than trying to do it on your phone. After you click a button to move to the next contact on your computer, click the refresh button at the top of the page on your mobile phone, and it will sync to the same record. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today on www.doitbythehour.com.